Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing really well. If this is your first time here, I'm Lindsay Peters and I'm a financial coach. Now today's video is going to be about the start of my own dividend portfolio. I am not a financial advisor, I am just a financial coach, helping people make their budget go further. Now in this video, I'm going to be showing you how I start up my dividend portfolio. This is something I've been thinking about over the last few weeks. Now just to give you a bit of background, I used to deal with CFD stocks. Now for me personally, this felt more like gambling because it doesn't matter which choice you make, your choice could go either way. It's always a 50-50 chance of you being right or wrong. Now this didn't really work for me. It ended up giving me sleepless nights. I lost a lot of money and I stopped looking into stocks completely for a while until recently I started seeing a lot of videos on YouTube about dividend stocks. So I decided to give it another go because it seemed like a lot more stable way of buying stocks, because you can ride out the downturns and just wait for it to pick up over time. Now this unfortunately doesn't mean all stocks is secure. It doesn't mean that companies won't go bust. But for me it was a safer way for long term, because your chances, if you take the lower risk of making money or at least keeping your money, is a lot safer than CFD stocks in my opinion. So I'm starting my investment journey using Trading 212 just for all the perks that you do get. You get your free shares of up to £100 and you don't have to pay for any stocks and shares or any commission on any investments that you make, which I find really great, and also fractional shares, because I'm sure there's a lot of people that can't spend 200 or £2,000 to buy one share, but you would like to try and get into that. So you would like to buy small shares. So that's very great about this one. So I'm going to go and open an account so I can start my journey. Okay, so then we need to click the country that we are in and then add in your details. Now for data protection, I will be blocking out my personal details while I'm filling this in. So just make sure you fill in all your personal details. Okay, so to sign up, we fill in our email address and password, and then we click on create account. So it does take a bit of a while to upload to get everything set up, but then you'll get to this screen where it just says basically welcome for you and that you won't be paying any fees. And we'll just go on continue. Now, after you've registered for the account, to be able to get your free share, you need to invest some money into this account. Now, on my husband's account, I only invested £10 and he got his free share as well. Now, your free share can be up to £100 worth of stock. Now, if you look at my account as it's set up at the moment, you can see I've created a monthly list so that I can quickly jump between the 5 stocks that I've decided on buying. And they are also at the top, so I can quickly see where my stocks are at and how much growth or decline I've had on my stock price. So these are the 5 stocks that I've invested in. I will explain a little bit more about them and how much I think I will be earning per month with these 5 stocks. If you're getting value so far, please make sure you give me a thumbs up to let me know, and make sure you subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see any of my future videos. So the first one I picked was Realty Income because of the monthly dividends. Now, as you can see, they pay out 4.5% dividends every year. And this is a real estate portfolio. They own a lot of properties and over a lot of states as well, with a lot of different tenants. So if one industry goes down with coronavirus, they still have a lot of other places that can be rented out. And they're also in 51 different industries, which means they are very diversified. So I thought this was really great place to get started at. And as you can see today, there are only $56.99 per share. Now the monthly totals you get from them is 0.23. So that's not a bad place to start on getting your dividends on a monthly basis. Now the next one is Pembina. Now this is an energy industry company and it's in Western Canada, and it's quite diversified as well because it's got a logistics business. It deals with oils and gas, and it's only going at $23.52 at this stage per share. So I thought this was a great second company to have a look at. If you have a look at their dividend share, you'll see they also pay 0.21 every single month, which is another nice little add up on the portfolio for me, I think. So the third one is Main Street Capital Corporation. Their shares is only $28.99. Now this is a company that helps other companies with debt. So this is in the financial industry. So I thought that is a good idea to invest in them as well. And as you can see, they've only got upward growth so far, and they do pay out monthly dividends, and at the moment it's at 0.205, which I thought would be a nice add-on onto the other twos I've already got. The next one I had a look at is LTC. Now this is another real estate company, and their stock price at the moment is $37.22, and I thought that's another good one to get started on, as I don't have a lot of funds to put into the big ones, but I can buy a whole share. Now, if you look at their dividends, their monthly dividends is 0.19, which is also not a bad start for getting onto the dividend ladder. So the last one I look at is Stag Industrial, which is $29.31 for their current stock price. And if you have a look at their dividends, they are paying 0.12 every single month. Now, I own one share in each of these companies, and this is the 5 I'm starting off with. Now, I will be earning 0.95 cents every single month, which equates to 75 pence in the UK. Now, I know this is not a lot of money, but I only invested £140 to be able to get that money every single month. And if you would like to invest in the banks at the moment, you put in £1,000 at the 0.4 interest rate you are getting at the moment, you will be earning £4 for the whole year on investing £1,000 or saving £1,000 in the banks. So this is already a lot more, and I only invested 140. If you found this video helpful, please make sure you like, subscribe, and ring the bell so that you don't miss out on my next video. If you would like some one-to-one help, I'll leave a link in the description below for you to be able to give me a call. Please leave any topic requests or any questions for me in the comments below, and I'll get back to you personally. Have a lovely day, guys. Bye!